For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paperclip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. The Omega sign was a special request from Novia. We're just going to take the paperclip and in the middle, we're just going to do a curve. So bring it around so the loop part is centered. We want the loop to be in the middle, and then we're just going to take our flat pliers, hold it here, bend it out, and then this side, hold it about here, bend it out, push it out a little more, this one too, and then we'll take a ring cone or a marker, curve the wires around, this one too, and we just have to round these out a little bit more, this one as well. And then we're going to hold this loop and just push these in so it's a little bit more rounded. And there we have the Omega ring, and you can make that smaller if you like. The second one has a little bit more detail. We'll just get our larger round pliers, and we're going to bring this one around to form the loop. So bring this right around, and then get your tweezer nose pliers, bend this straight down, this one too, and we want to bend this out to the side, this one out to the side, do any adjusting that you need, and then we're going to bend this one up, out, and this one up and out. You can go in with smaller pliers too if you need, and then put it on the ring cone and bring the wires around to both sides, curve out the ends on the side too. You can hold this with the pliers and just adjust these as you need. Wiggle this around, and there's the other version of the Omega ring.